Join me as I dive into Township and see if I can master this game as a total beginner with some pro tips and tricks. In this video, you'll discover the ultimate beginner's guide to Township, packed with pro tips and tricks to help you thrive in this charming game. Many new players struggle with balancing their resources and managing their town efficiently, often feeling overwhelmed by the game's mechanics. When you first start playing Township, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of building and growing your town, but it's crucial to take a step back and think about how you're allocating your resources. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is building too many farms or factories without a clear plan for how they'll manage them. This can lead to a surplus of unwanted products and a shortage of essential resources. As you progress through the game, you'll realize that managing your resources efficiently is key to unlocking new buildings and progressing through the levels. By prioritizing your resource production and allocation, you'll be able to build a thriving town that attracts happy citizens and brings in a steady stream of coins and cash. To avoid these mistakes, it's essential to have a clear understanding of how the game's mechanics work. From the get-go, focus on building a diverse range of farms and factories that produce a variety of goods. This will give you the flexibility to adapt to changing circumstances and ensure you're always producing what you need. Additionally, make sure to regularly upgrade your buildings to increase their production capacity and efficiency. By doing so, you'll be able to produce more goods with fewer resources, freeing up more time and energy to focus on building and growing your town. As you gain more experience and confidence in the game, you'll start to realize the importance of planning ahead and thinking strategically. This means anticipating what resources you'll need to unlock new buildings and levels, and making sure you're producing enough goods to meet those demands. By doing so, you'll be able to make steady progress through the game and avoid getting stuck due to a lack of resources. Remember, Township is a game that requires patience and persistence, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep working at it, and you'll eventually start to see your town flourish. We'll explore essential tips such as optimizing your farm production, unlocking new buildings, and effectively using your coins and cash to grow your town. One of the most critical aspects of Township is optimizing your farm production. This involves strategically placing your farms to maximize their output, while also taking into account the limited space available in your town. By doing so, you'll be able to produce more goods with fewer farms, freeing up valuable space for other buildings and increasing your